Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. Big shout out to our notification gang. Thank you so much for your continuous love and support. Thank you. In today's video we have a special guest. We have Belinda here with us. Belinda has her own YouTube channel, so I'm gonna link it in the cards and in the description so that you guys can check it out. So we're just gonna be doing her hair. So she's still learning the ropes and stuff. So we're gonna give her a nice little, you know, tatenda treatment. So we can see her hair flourish and she can see what it's like to have a proper routine. No shade.
No, it's
no shade.
It's true.
So we're gonna take off her hat. Belinda's got some what's this?
Threading?
She's got
My
African
buns?
threading. She's got my buns in her hair.
I'm telling you, I had these tiny braids for 3 months. They almost started
Belinda, your hair is so dry. Belinda!
She didn't know what you wanted to do. Look at me. Gotcha.
No wonder you were pressuring me to do this. You knew damn well what you did. I hate you. Oh my gosh. Belinda's hair is about to cry. It ain't never seen no love like this in its life.
I literally used the same
my
things
gosh.
2 weeks ago.
My gosh. Your hair really is 4C, nah?
No cap. I hope that was not
That's
so.
water.
Okay. Oh, I was scared to open my eyes.
It doesn't burn though.
Have you got the injury?
Many a time.
Oh, that's bad. Oh, this feels good. Oh, yes.
Oh my gosh.
Yay. Oh my goodness. No one shampooed my hair in years.
I never had nobody damn shampoo my hair since I was a kid. The only time people shampooed my hair back when I was a kid is relaxing. Hey. That's when they would just shampoo my hair to take out, you know, the last step where you use that neutralizer.
I've never gotten.
Oh, you've never had your hair relaxed?
No, I've been natural since I was a baby.
Oh wow, I was relaxed. Took some shampoo with the one there, but it's alright. We are going to detangle Belinda's hair. Have you ever done a thorough detangle?
I have. I just don't remember the last time I did it, but I know I've done it.
I can tell. What's one video that you've seen other YouTubers do that you would like me to do?
Okay, people are gonna find this surprising. I want you to do a mukbang.
Get out of here!
Or
I'm not gonna sit there and eat.
Or it still involves eating. I want you to drive to different like restaurants or fast foods
and order what the other person ordered.
No, you can do that. But I also just realized there's not that many places as in America. But like compare, for example, fries, and you could go to each place and compare their fries and rank them. I just want to see your personality. You're picky. No, she's not a foodie, but she is particular. So I know she'll come out saying stuff like, "Nah, this place is." You'll be surprised. It'll be interesting. But yeah, mukbang would be fun because, yeah, I wouldn't. I don't know what's your fan base.
I'm just asking you to hear what your opinion is. Other people can share what their opinion is
in the comments. And they're gonna be like, no, disagree. Disagree. I think they'll like the I think no, here we go. Here's my strong thing. I think bring back tea with tender. I think that is what we came, that is what we subscribed for. Okay?
And talk about what?
Girl, I don't know, you're gonna have to make up something.
You see, you're asking for tea with tender, but you're because I do sit down videos. Is it more so like the tea with tender? You know, you want the tea.
It's not even actually. Yeah, I want the actual tea there. Yeah, it's not even actually. Yeah, that's basically it. Because it's not even actually about gossiping or anything like that or dirty. Like no, like it can literally just be about you. But the whole marketing of the tea with tenda was nice.
So let me know, guys, if you want tea with tenda to come back or not.
I'm embarrassed if people don't support me. It's embarrassing.
Because Belinda said.
Maybe they don't know. Maybe they're these new ones. They don't know.
If you don't know about tea
to go
with
to the
tenda, you have to go back to the beginning. That's when tea with tenda was there. If you do know about it, then you're an OG and we appreciate you.
So subscribe and share and like and comment. Can I just say, I have all these products at home because of watching these videos. Okay?
So I don't understand.
So I used them. I used them last week.
All those products. But
I used them.
We're using the same products, but
same different result. Also, it's only been like I only got them recently, so it hasn't been like 2 years or anything. Maybe like 4 months. And I'm not gonna tell you how many washes because you're just gonna judge.
4 months, how many washes? How many?
Stop recording. cut the cameras. Is there anyone who watches Tatenda's videos? They have natural hair, but they don't put themselves in beginner or intermediate or anything because they're not actually trying to move up in the game. They're just in the game. Like, like we're in the natural hair community, but we don't subscribe to the natural hair community.
But you know, it ain't no game. It's just about doing. It's just about washing your hair and detangling, Belinda.
We do it sometimes. But regardless, guys, we're gonna level up because we're gonna be buying these wigs that should be advertising. We're gonna be getting that. And
that you don't watch. I said it. I said it. Alright. I finished doing Belinda's hair, detangling it. Now I'm going to add the mask on top. And then we're going to let her hair sit for a few minutes before we wash it all out.
While we're here, my channel is Bells M. That is B, capital B, E, L, L, S, space, capital M. That's Bells for Belinda. Again, I make a range of content. None of it hair related, but still entertaining. This is gonna be cut out anyways.
And we're gonna put the microwave.
Yes, this is all I wanted my whole life.
Microwave heat cap on, and we're gonna let her hair finally get some hydration. Yeah, I said it.
You can throw all your shade, like I deserve it. I'm not. Do I just have a big head?
No, it's tight. Look at your curls, Poppy. Look at that. Wow. I'm sorry, is it hurting? You're making a face as if it's hurting.
Just a little bit.
Maybe you're a bit tender-headed.
That's what every hairdresser says when someone says it hurts. You're tender.
That's a you problem. You tender-headed. It has nothing to do with it.
On the side that was wet, so my neck is cold.
Oh, did I do that?
Hold this for a 6-minute video. Hi.
I told you. You think you really thought, didn't you? Remember when I said, do you know how long hair videos take?
I said so too. I said we don't have to do the shampooing. We just, you know.
And what did you think we were gonna do?
I don't know. It's healthy. I also can't wait to see how you style your house too. I know it's gonna be extra. Or if it's not extra, it's gonna be very minimalist. It's either one or the other. Actually, no, it's gonna be extra in a minimalist way. Like, will be one thing on the counter, but it'll be this very, very bougie thing. Yeah.
Nice to know how you feel about me.
You mad? You mad, bro?
I'm tired, to be honest. I'm tired. This is taking too damn long. Yeah, I'm done. So guys, that's the end of the video.
You're funny. Watch and go. That was the look we were going for.
You know, Belinda, you could be on the other side doing a twist on the other side.
I don't think I'm as good as you.
I'm tired of you.
Okay, what size?
Go home, Belinda.
What size? Go on, Ronald.
Why am I?
You have the wrong friends.
Doing people's hair, nobody ever suggests to do.
But then I don't think you want someone to do your hair. Like one of us. No, I don't think you would enjoy that.
Nobody ever thinks of me. Don't worry, Belinda.
I can't see. I don't have my glasses on. I
don't have my glasses.
I can't see. I don't know what's happening. I can't even see my eyes. They're blurry. Yes.
Oh, yeah.
So since we're talking about your YouTube channel, what is your favorite video on my channel?
That's a dumb question. What do you mean? All of that?
All of them.
My first YouTube video is my favorite.
I was asking my channel.
It's not about you, Belinda. You can ask me questions about your channel
on your channel.
Get out of here.
You see the plug?
Look at where we are. Where we came from. Where we came from. Belinda. Bro. Kure for sure. Hey. I don't think I would have been able to do this in the beginning. Alright, we're finally done.
We don't say anything?
How is your hair feeling? Look at it. Moisturize.
Okay, I need my glasses.
Alright, you put on your glasses and you tell me, and you feel your hair and you tell me how.
So I definitely, it does feel good. It does feel good. Oh, it's actually really long, the twist. Oh, okay. It feels taken care of. It feels massaged. I like it. Thank you.
Yeah.
I feel like a rapper.
It ain't about being a rapper, it's about protective styling, Belinda. That's what it's about.
Yes, Mom.
That's right. Put some respect.
Tatenda loves doing my hair and she wants to do it again. No, she said I have a lot of hair on my head. So.
Not again. Not again. Not again. It's been a long day. It's been a long day. That's the end of the video, guys. I hope you've enjoyed this chit-chatty version of me doing Belinda's hair, asking a few questions and whatnot. Yeah, make sure to comment down below your thoughts and like if you like the video, and I will see you guys next week. I love you guys so much. Mwah.